What's up guys, you're watching the Street Show, and if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error. The error is the CE-35398-8 remote play not connected. So here we go to the settings. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side. Here we are at the screen and go to the network. Sometimes the network is not working. Firstly, you just check the system software network. Here is the DNS is working up and good, the server is not down. Then you go to the settings, remote play connection settings. Here is the devices and remote play connection. Here you must check in and also add devices check in. You want to add a manually, you just add a manually. Go to iOS, PS, Mac or PS Vita, TV, everything you just connect it and put in code there, and then it will be connect. But you must have a same connection, so that's how it will be fixed. So simply that's how you can fix this error. And if you want to ask a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.